All successful architecture has a social and/or political intent behind it, especially in large, world-class projects. In this video, I will discuss, compare, and contrast those intentions behind Mies van der Rohe's Toronto Dominion Center and David Child's One World Trade Center or Freedom Tower. Mies's TD Center opened in 1969 and was the Commonwealth's tallest buildings. It was the first time a famed international architect looked to Toronto, which was considered second after Montreal. Mies's design proved to be perfect for the project as it was controversial and despised, but a classic example of his unique international style. They towered over Toronto like gigantic black monoliths and sparked conversation, making it a focal point for both Toronto's business and architecture. The Freedom Tower arose out of the ashes of 9/11 and opened its doors in 2014. The project was headed by David Childs and undertaken by Skidmore, Owings, and Merrill Architects. The tower is mostly high-end office space and a tourist attraction, but it also has retail and commercial space. Since it is the replacement for the Twin Towers and is right next to the 9/11 Memorial, it will always be relevant in New York's history and architecture. The intention of the TD Center was to promote business not only through its many floors of offices, but through its size and architecture. At $60 million, it was intended to be something that was never done before in Canada and promote TD in the city. It also wanted to demonstrate to its customer that they are a successful bank. It accomplished its intentions and more as it started a race among Canadian banks in the city to have the tallest tower, and is now a historic piece of architecture in Toronto. When One World Trade Center was being built its second time around, its intentions had changed slightly due to the unfortunate circumstances. The very fitting nickname comes from its height of 1,776 feet, including the spire, as it is the same number as the year the Declaration of Independence was signed. Both the original and rebuilt center had the intentions to assert dominance in the business world while promoting peace through world trade, but the rebuild would also intend to symbolize prosperity in a new age after 9/11. Even its architecture demonstrates strength with its wider base and triangular sides that point to the sky. Within their respective skylines and economies, both towers achieved the dominance they wanted. To start, they had similar intentions, but through their histories, they have earned new meanings separate from those intentions and each other. Thanks for watching.